Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of k where 5 to the power k plus 5 to the power k is equal to 100. Okay, or taking common 5 to the power k, here we will get 1 plus similarly here we will get 1 is equal to 100, or 5 to the power k times 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to 100, or now divided both sides by 2, we can write here 5 to the power k times 2 over 2 is equal to 100 over 2. Now this 2 cancels out this 2 and here we will get 50, or 5 to the power k is equal to 50, or now taking both sides log, we can write here log of 5 to the power k is equal to log of 50, taking log on both sides. Okay, or this k move here, so we can write here k times log of 5 is equal to log of 50, or now divided both sides by log of 5, we can write here k times log of 5 over log of 5 is equal to log of 50 can be written as log of 5 times 10 over log of 5. This log of 5 cancel out this log of 5, so here we will get k, or k is equal to, now we can write here log of 5 plus log of 10 over log of 5, or k is equal to, now we can write here log of 5 over log of 5 plus this log of 10 can be written as log of 5 times 2 over log of 5, or k is equal to log of 5 cancel out log of 5, so here we will get 1 plus similarly here we can write log of 5 over log of 5 plus log of 2 over log of 5, or k is equal to 1 plus this log of 5 cancel out this log of 5, so here we will get 1 plus here we can write log of 2 base 5. So finally we will get the value of k is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log of 2 base 5, and it is our final answer. Now check questions have given 5 to the power k plus 5 to the power k is equal to 100. 5 to the power k plus 5 to the power k is equal to 100, so we can write here 5 to the power k is equal to 50, or 5 to the power k is equal to 50. Here k is equal to 2 plus log of 2 base 5, or 5 to the power 2 plus log of 2 base 5 is it equal to 50, or now we can write here 5 square times 5 to the power log of 2 base 5 is it equal to 50, or we know that 5 square, that means 25 times, here we will get 2 is it equal to 50. Now we know that 25 times 2 is 50, so we can write here 50 is equal to 50. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our final answer is k is equal to 2 plus log of 2 base 5 is correct. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.